नमस्कार वेलकम टू ओपीएससी ओएस ए टू जेड। सो आज आम डिस्कस करने चाहिए विजन आईएएस टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट 2 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 रू क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 जाए आम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर सारी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। इफ द प्रेसिडेंट वांट्स टू सीक लीगल ओपिनियन on a matter of public importance from the Supreme Court, then the Supreme Court can assume to itself the power of legislation. This is incorrect. The President has to accept the advice given by the court. This is incorrect because um, um, advice of the court is not binding on President. The Supreme Court may refuse to tender its opinion. Yes, this is correct. D. President has to first get the approval of the Parliament for the same. This is incorrect. So option C is the right answer here. Question number 52. The President exercises executive power through Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. This is the correct answer here. So option B is the right answer here. So then 52 gala. Then 53. Indian federalism differs from that of the federalism of the United States of America. In this context, consider the difference between the federal or Supreme Court of India and the USA. So option A, the original jurisdiction of the American Supreme Court is wider than that of the Indian Supreme Court. Yes, this is correct. Then because in India the original jurisdiction is confined to federal cases, and in American case it original jurisdiction cover not only the federal cases but also the cases related to the naval forces, maritime activities and ambassadors, etc. So American Supreme Court is wider than the Indian Supreme Court in case of original jurisdiction, where the Indian jurisdiction confined to federal cases only. So next option 2 रे देखिए, the appellate jurisdiction of both the courts is confined to constitutional cases only. No, because appellate jurisdiction of both the courts is confined to not confined to constitutional cases only. For India, it covers civil and criminal cases as well with constitutional cases. So option 2 भी incorrect ହେଇଗଲା ଏଠି. So option 1 correct ଥିଲା, option 2 incorrect ହେଇଗଲା. Then option 3, the Indian Supreme Court has advisory jurisdiction whereas the American court has no advisory jurisdiction. Option 3 is correct here. So option B is the right answer. 1 and 3 only. So next question number 54. Which of the following statement is or are correct regarding cabinet? It is a smaller body than the council of ministers. This is correct because cabinet consists of 15 to 20 ministers of council of ministers. So option 1 is the correct answer here. Then its powers and functions are defined in the constitution. No, this is incorrect. Constitution define nahi cabinet ro powers function. Eta ଆସିଛି through 44th constitutional amendment act and article 352 of the constitution was inserted. Article 352 କ'ଣ କହୁଛି, defines that the cabinet, saying that it is the council consisting of prime minister and other minister of the cabinet rank appointed under article 75 doesn't describe its power and function. So next question, the option 3, it is an advisory body to the president and its advice is binding on him. Yes, this is correct. So এটা भी ଆସିଥିଲା under article 42nd constitutional amendment act made the president bound by the advice of the council of minister. So option 3 भी correct it is. So option 1 and 3 only. Option B is the right answer here. 55, with reference to office of the governor, consider the following statement. In case of the bicameral legislature, governor can issue ordinance only when both the houses are not in session, and this is, one second please, this is incorrect because governor can promulgate an ordinance even when one house is not in session. In case of bicameral legislation, this ordinance must be approved by the state legislature within 6 weeks from its reassembly. So option 1 incorrect ହେଇଗଲା. Then 2 रे देजी, he enjoys the personal immunity from legal liability for his official act. Yes, this is correct. So option 2 only. Option B is the right answer here. So next question number 56. In which of the following cases does membership of parliament incur disqualification under the 10th schedule? Option 1. If any independent member join any political party before the expiry of the 6 months, then it is correct. Then option A दीजिए. Option 1 sorry, then option 2 रे दीजिए. If any nominated member joins any political party before the expiry of 6 months, it nominated member दीजिए. So it incorrect है. Option 3 रे दीजिए. If he voluntarily gives up the membership of the political party to which he belonged. So it is correct. 1 and 3 correct. So option A is the right answer here. So next is question number 57 को with reference to cooperative societies consider the following statement. Election to cooperative society are conducted by the state election commission. Then it incorrect है because state election commission रो काम हुए इटा this belong to it vested on the cooperative society shall based on in such body may be provided by the state legislature. So option 1 it incorrect है गला. Number of directors of the cooperative society shall not exceed 21. Yes, this is correct. The board shall consist of such member of the directors as may be provided by the state legislature, but the maximum number must not be exceed from 21. So option 2 correct. Cooperative board shall have at least 2 women representative. Yes, this is correct because the state legislature shall provide for the reservation of 1 seat for the scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe or 2 seats for the women. So option 3 also correct. 2 and 3 option B is the right answer here. So question number 58. Which of the following is or are the discretionary power of the president? Exercise of the suspensive veto power. Exercise of the suspensive veto power. Yes, this is correct. This is the discretionary power of the president. Appointment of the prime minister when no political party has majority in the Lok Sabha. This is correct. Appointment of the governor in a state. This is incorrect because it is not discretionary power of the president. The governor in a state is appointed by the president on the advice of the central government, though. And this is not the discretionary power of the president. So option 1 and 2 are only. Option B is the right answer here. Consider the following statement regarding the territorial extent of the central and state legislation of India. The territorial jurisdiction of the parliament is absolute in nature for whole or any part of the territory of India. So option 1 is not correct because the president can make regulation on the peace, progress and good government of 4 union territories, that is Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So option 1 is incorrect. The parliament is absolute in nature for whole or any part of the territory of India. Then option 2 देजिए. The laws enacted by the state legislation cannot be applicable outside of the state. So option 2 जो दीजिए. The state legislation can make laws for the whole or any part of the state. The laws made by the state legislature are not applicable outside the state except when there is a sufficient nexus between the state and the object. एटी आम एग्जांपल नहीं पारिबा बॉम्बे वर्सेस आरएमडीसी केस. सो ऑप्शन 1 भी इनकरेक्ट है गला. ऑप्शन 2 भी इनकरेक्ट. सो नीदर 1 nor 2 option D is the right answer here. So next question number 60. Supreme Court is a court of record. It implies that the judgment of Supreme Court are recorded for perpetual memory. Yes, this is correct. The Supreme Court has the power to punish for contempt of court. Yes, this is correct. So option C is the right answer here. So next question number 61. 11th schedule of the constitution places which of the following under the purview of the panchayat? So option 1 agriculture. Yes, this is correct. Khadi, village and cottage industry. This is also right. Slum improvement and upgradation, this is incorrect because it comes under 12 schedule. Then public distribution system 1 to 4. So option C is the right answer here. So next question number 62. The executive branch of the union government consists of president, then vice president, PM, council of minister, then attorney general. ଏଠି attorney general ଦେଇଛି, all member of the parliament incorrect, council of minister. So 1 2 4, option B is the right answer here. So next question number 63. Which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the departmental standing committee? The members of this committee are elected by the proportional representation. This is incorrect because the members of the departmental standing committee are nominated by the speaker or chairman from among the member of the concerned house. माने लोकसभा रे by speaker and राज्यसभा रे by chairman से माने nominated होता. Total 31 members are there, 21 from Lok Sabha and 10 from the Rajya Sabha. So statement 1 एठी incorrect है गला. It considered the demands for grants of concerned ministries and can suggest cuts in the budget. It is लिखला cuts in budget. No, this is incorrect. The committee cannot make any suggestion of nature of cuts in their reports. So option 2 be incorrect. So neither one nor 2. Option D is the right answer here. So next question number 64. She helped to establish Women Indian Association in 1917 and the All India Women Conference in 1927. She wrote the play Mahar Munnar and the poem The Broken Wing, which she decided dedicated to Muhammad Ali Jinnah. To identify the personality from the above passage. She is none other than Sarojini Naidu. Option B is the correct answer. तो यहाँ कहीं न्यूज रे बिकज रिसेंटली 13 February is celebrated as National Women's Day to mark the 143rd birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. तो ये आम आउ गोटे जिन मन रखा, सी इज द सेकेंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. आगु किए थे अन्वेषण थे, बट द फास्ट इंडियन वुमेन टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ INC कॉन्फ्रेंस इन 1925. तांकर फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल गोटे भाइटल पार्ट अच्छी. सो नेक्स्ट जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 65 को कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द संत गेज बाबा. ही वाज द सोशल रिफॉर्मर फ्रॉम अवध. दिस इज 1 second प्लीज. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट बिकज से अवध को बिलोंग करती, से महाराष्ट्र को बिलोंग करती. ही फॉलोड द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ संत कबीर एंड रायदास. दिस इज करेक्ट. सो ऑप्शन 2 इज द right answer here. Eta news अच्छी because nation marked the 23rd February as the birth anniversary of Sant Gaj Baba. से कहार कंटेम्परेरी थे, से कंटेम्परेरी थे डॉक्टर BR आम्बेडकर. ही डोनेटेड द बिल्डिंग ऑफ हिज हॉस्टल टू द पीपल्स एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, जोटा कि फाउंडेड होता बाय डॉक्टर BR आम्बेडकर. सो नेक्स्ट जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 को which of the following is or are not compulsory provision under 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. The organization of Gram Sabha in the village or group of villages. This is correct. Eta correct अच्छी. The constitution of a state finance commission. This is correct. The giving representation to the members of the parliament in a panchayat. This is incorrect because it आसूची voluntary provision रे, not under the compulsory provision. So it is not जेहेतु पचारची. So option 3 is the right answer here. So option B is the right answer here. तो आम जो 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 को आसूचे, it provides for some compulsory and some voluntary provision. तो compulsory under रे आसूची organization of the Gram Sabha in village, then your reservation of 1/3 seat for women in panchayat at all 3 levels, fixing tenure of 5 years for the panchayat at all level, and holding fresh election within 6 months in the event of the super session of any panchayat, and many more. Then voluntary provision আসছে giving representation to the members of the parliament and the state legislature in the panchayat at different levels falling within their constituencies, providing reservation of seats for backward classes in panchayat, then granting financial powers to the panchayat, that is authorizing them levy, collect and appropriate taxes like duties, tolls and fees. So एटी करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 67 को ଯିବା. Which of the following is or are possible reasons for appointing the governor rather than electing him? Option 1, to prevent friction between government and chief minister. Yes, this is correct, because if a governor is elected by a direct vote, he might consider himself superior to chief minister, and this would lead to the friction between the governor and chief minister. So option 1 correct. It reduced the election expenses involved in the election process. Yes, no doubt, this is correct. 3, it would discourage separatist tendencies in the states. This is correct due to his popular support. The method of election for selecting a governor may encourage separatist tendencies in the states. So this is also correct. So option D is the right answer here. 1, 2, 3. Then question number 68. With reference to President of India, which of the following statement is or are correct? The President must act according to the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Yes, this is correct. And then 2. With the Council of Ministers resign, the President acts according to his own discretion. This is incorrect, because whenever a Council of Ministers resign, it shall continue to as a caretaker government until the next Council of Ministers swears in. So option 2 incorrect है. Option 1 is the right answer here. Option A. So next is question number 69. Who among the following can vote in the election of the President? Elected or nominated member of the Lok Sabha. This is incorrect, because nominated member participate करंतनी election रे. Elected member of the Rajya Sabha. Yes, this is correct. Elected member of the legislative assemblies of union territories. This is correct. Then elected member of the legislative council. No, this is incorrect, because सबू state legislative councils not है. So option B is the right answer here. तो प्रेसिडेंट का इलेक्शनटा मोस्टली इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज को लेके होता है बाय proportional representation by single transferable vote द्वारा. The elected members of both the house of the parliament can vote. Then elected members of the legislative assemblies of the states. Then elected members of the legislative assembly of the union territories of Delhi and Puducherry. So एटी करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 2 and 3. However, nominated members of the parliament do not take part in the election but can take part in the impeachment process of the president. So nominated members can take part in the impeachment process of the president. Do remember this, it is most important. Though ସେମାନେ election रे participate करती नहीं. Then elected members of the legislative assemblies do take part in the election but do not take part in the impeachment of proceeding. The impeachment proceeding रे legislative assembly रो member माने participate करती नहीं. Do remember this, these are most important. So एटी correct answer हमारा कौन होगा ना ऑप्शन B हेतला. So next is question number 70. Consider the following statement regarding the parliamentary privileges available to the members. They cannot be arrested during the session of the parliament for both civil and criminal offences. एटा एठी 70 question number 70. Yes, एटा incorrect है because they can be arrested during the session of the parliament. They cannot be arrested during the session of the parliament and 40 days before the beginning and 40 days after the end of the session. The privilege is available only in case of civil cases, not in criminal offences. So option 1 is incorrect. The presiding officer of the house has the final authority in deciding the matters of breach of privileges. Yes, this is correct. So option B is the right answer Here, the presiding officer of the legislature has the final power in deciding matters of breach of privileges. The Lok Sabha Speaker has the final powers in deciding matters of breach privileges by the member of Lok Sabha. The same function is performed by the Rajya Sabha for its members. So option 2 is the available to the members. Correct answer here. So next we have question number 71. The strength of the High Court is decided by President. The Constitution doesn't specify any strength of the High Court and leaves it to the discretion of the President. So एटी करेक्ट आंसर है प्रेसिडेंट डिसाइड करती हाईकोर्टर स्ट्रेंथ केते रहइबो बिकॉज एटा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रे मेंशन नाही सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर सो नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज ईस्टर्न ब्रीज 6 in air force exercise between India and option D Oman is the correct answer. So next question number 73rd, which of the following is not correct with when vice president is discharging functions of the president? He enjoys all the immunities which are available to the president for his official act. Yes, this is correct. He continues to perform the duties of the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. No, this is incorrect because a time deputy chairman ही perform करती chairman काम. So option B incorrect. He can pardon the sentence of the court martial. Yes. He can promulgate the ordinances on the advice of the council of ministers. जेहेतु it is not correct पचेची the right answer एटी है option B is the right answer here. So next question number 74 को consider the following statement with reference to the provision of Panchayat Raj extension to schedule area act 1996 जोटा को पेसा act कहूचे it the provision of act apply to the states of northeast India only. This is incorrect because एटा खाली northeast इंडिया रे नुहे 10 states रे लागू होइछि से 10 states हला आंध्र प्रदेश छत्तीसगढ़ ओडिशा देन झारखंड तेलंगाना देन गुजरात हिमाचल प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र मध्य प्रदेश सो it incorrect है Ministry of Rural Development and Ministry of Development of North Eastern region are the nodal ministries for the implementation of the provision of this act. This is incorrect because it is kaha under Ministry of Panchayat Raj. So option D is the correct answer here. Option D is the correct answer here, neither 1 nor 2. Then question number 75, consider the following statement with regard to the estimate committee. It is called the continuous economic committee since it examines all the ministers and departments throughout the year. And this is incorrect because the committee only take a few ministers and departments every year on a rotation basis. Thus it takes years to cover all its ministers. So option 1 it incorrect है it examines the budget estimate only after they have voted by the parliament. Yes, this is correct. So option B is the right answer here. So next is question number 75 जे आमे ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर साचे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 जो आमे नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे कवर करबे. थैंक यू.